Myself, Sagar Vadge. I'm based out in Pune right now. I'm currently heading the HR department for compound benefit and operations payroll area for India and Philippines. I'm currently working with a healthcare IT company. It's a product development company based out of US, headquartered in US, and we have office in Pune. A full remote model that we're working on, so we can work from anywhere right now. I'm carrying total 20 years of experience. Out of that, 17 is in core HR. So I started my career with operations. Like Excel is something where I started my career. So working on Excel put me into HR because from a computer science background, from a development person, really coming to HR was a difficult challenge for me. But yeah, Excel helped me to get into HR, and with the help of Excel, I started learning, and with the way of communications and everything, I slowly took over the compound benefit, payroll, and operations area. So yeah, it's a good journey that has gone through. But yeah, as we talked about the Excel, so knowledge is limited to Excel with some Excel sheets, formulas, macros, and everything was there. The industry was going further to look into R, Python, Tableau. A lot of things were coming in. So was just a lot of researching all the courses everywhere, where I was looking for one of the course in analytics. So I looked for ISB, looked for IIMs and everything. But then CHRMP was going through the complete curriculum of CHRMP, and I found out, okay, the topics that were mentioned were pretty detailed. So it was not only theoretical or not only practical, it was a mixed combination that really actually helped me to, take a decision, I can go through that. At the same time, it gave other thing, like if I have to go for the ISB or any of the courses, I have to pay a huge cost for that. It was more in lakhs, but when I had to go for the CHRMP, it gave me different cost altogether. At the same time, when I was going to CHRMP, it also has the accreditation with SHR, which is something that was better. And I was like, yeah, it's a globally accredited university. We have a lot of good stuff over there. So let's join this program. That's when I decided to join the course of analytics, which helped me to work more towards the data mining and data structuring over there. Because this is one of the things as an HR, it is really important because we are the ones who present the data to the management. We know that a company and all that works on a lot of products, everything, but yes, we are the one who presents exactly, yes, how these things are going on, what kind of workforce is there, what is the attrition. So we work on that thing. So for that, the course of analytics was much helpful for me. This is basically a big ocean of knowledge that we have in CHRMP. The curriculum, the accreditation of the institutes, the brand I will talk about, right? Because we have a lot of institutes who provide the course, but if someone sees, there's a CHRMP mentioned in your profile, yes, it has a different value. They understand the course that is going is not just for the namesake. There's a course curriculum, there's an attendance, there was a proper check, there's a proper assignment that was taken. The course was pretty detailed. Even the online lectures that we had, the recorded session we have, it was same detailed lecture with all the proper assignments. It is not just a lecture, but the assignments were checked properly. The presentation was taken care properly. The cohort that we had, the discussion that we had team member, that was wonderful. So this is overall, the CHRMP was wonderful. I would say that the course that I did, it has helped me to grow further in terms of looking at the data with a different perspective. Because the knowledge was limited based on the practical experience, right? But the industry is going with a lot of new changes coming, so that really helped me. I have also recommended this course to my two colleagues, two team members. One of them already enrolled, and one of them is going to enroll the next cycle, which is from April. We do quarterly enrollment. So from the April day, he's going to enroll because it is not only the brand, but also the kind of tutors that we do have, the way they taught us. Even the online records I talk about were more interactive. It is not that we were able to ask the questions, but it was like the person is talking in front of you and you can ask the questions. You can pause, you can rethink, and there's an option where you can post the questions on the video itself, which gets answered automatically. So that has really helped me to put my recommendation to other colleagues, and they were able to understand, yes, this person has done something and then it has value. That's when they enroll for that. So thank you for offering this kind of courses, Sunny. There's a next course that I'm planning for the CSR because I'm into social activities. So the next course of CSR I'm going to plan with CHRMP starting April again. So looking forward to join the next course now. Thank you for the opportunities.